Traders, hello. It is nearly 10 o'clock Sunday. I normally do this Saturday. I apologize. I had work, then a family event. And normally what I would do is I would come home in the evening and I would still do the video, but I just felt I needed some sleep. I had work early this morning as well. I had work and then some athletic stuff on as well. So pretty crazy day, but here I am. A little bit of sugar, so I'm ready to go. All right, so Euro Aussie, that's down negative 0.59%, which is around $5. So here the trade is it's in front of us now. So I got in at 1.5771. You know, I mean, just looking at the price action, was it a great trade? Absolutely not. I mean, I would probably rate this entry. I mean, something like this would have been 3 out of 5. So if I'm really honest, this is 2 out of 5. My exits always stay as set, so I would rate that 5 out of 5. I mean, if it does come back down and hit the stop loss. So I don't move that. It only is moved as a trailing exit, so this would have to move 2%, and then I would move the stop loss. Okay, so as you can see, it actually nearly hit the stop loss. I mean, that's around, you know, it's close. That's close. That's about 80% away there, but that's the beauty of not closing the trade out, because who knows what will happen now. I don't know. You know, if someone was asking me what do I think about the Euro Aussie, I've made my trade. The entry was there, and we'll see how it goes. All right, so the USD yen now. This is a little bit healthier, and you know what I would call healthy is, I mean, it's just not sideways as much. The Euro Aussie, the whole week was up, down, up, down. So I got in this Thursday afternoon from my smartphone. Beauty of trading. So I wasn't at work. I was with a friend. I saw it and I took it. That's the thing about trading. You know, you can do it anywhere once you know what you're doing. Risk is 2%. As you can see, it's pretty much break even. I mean, I got in at 0.628 and it's at 0.637. Stop loss 108.74. So if you ever see these charts, the red line there is a stop loss. So as you can just see from illustrative purpose, that's where the trade's at. So I don't set tight stop losses. I don't do that. And these trades will be going for a while. So I've got 2.5% margin utilized as well. So I guess, yeah, my thoughts on the USD yen. I mean, I sold it, so we'll see. So I'm around, that's 0.68% in drawdown. So fully exposed 2% each trade. So I've actually noticed the New Zealand dollar. I did a podcast just before as well with my pal Connor, and this is looking pretty good. Honestly, it reversed a little bit last week. Was that late? No, it was more than a week ago. This is on the daily chart, and now it's recovered. Last week was recovery, and that's not a terrible candle to close the week off with as well. Go to the weekly. What's the weekly looking like? Well, ideally, what you'd really want to see is that closing above here, because that's still resistance there. But I mean, from a 4-hour standpoint, it's pretty good. You know. Anyway, I just wanted to bring that to your attention as a possible trade idea. It will have to be if one of these is moved to break even though, so something's going to have to really happen. Ideally with the USD yen, probably not with the Euro Aussie. I see this is more likely headed to the stop loss, but who knows? I don't know the news. I don't really follow it. I just look at the technicals and I trade it. You know, that's how I play my trend trading. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching and bye for now.